so great about Dennis Brown?
Yeah, you mean good. Please put some respect on that name. Put some respect on that name. You're mad, man. I general that man.
My relationship with Dennis Brown was we were good friends, real good friends. But then Dennis Brown didn't become friends with anybody. He was a very nice and tender person and very creative and loving. He'll give more than he has.
Dennis was so nice. I'm not telling no man no. You see him? Dennis Brown, we just give some money now, and then right away a man come beg him just take it back from me, borrow from you if you give a man, you know? And Dennis that, you know.
Well, let me tell you, Dennis Brown is our Michael Jackson of the Caribbean.
Well, I can tell you something where you might not know. Dennis Brown was Bob Marley's favorite artist. See? Because everywhere I toured with D Brown, some reason or the other, including that tour that I spoke about a while ago, Bob Marley turned up. You understand? Bob Marley himself loved Dennis Brown. So, you know, we know say Bob had a skip, but, you know, Dennis Brown was the Jamaican loved artist.
So from that I realized that Dennis Brown is a voice of Jamaica. To me, Dennis Brown is a singer. I remember hearing an interview with Barrington Levy and them asked him, why with Dennis Brown? I'm saying, he's a singer. Every singer for rate him, you know? There were a lot of copycat who come. Because Dennis Brown, if you have the range like him, you don't want to do some slur like him for people. Because if a man tells you so like Dennis Brown, ghost people must take you, you know? You understand? Because the man can sing.
Man, Dennis Brown influence. If you ask any artist, let me tell you, if they ask them as a singer, who the first name will come out, man, out of 90% of them are Dennis Brown. Dennis Brown is just Dennis Brown, man. Me can't explain nothing about that part, but I just decide there. Yeah, man, for real. And most of the artists that I've worked with over the years, singers that is, them can tell us straight off of the bat, D Brown. The main influence, main. Bob Marley himself said Dennis Brown is a singer.
From Dennis, a little youth, Dennis rise up as a superstar. So he had the command and the respect of everyone. But he wasn't selfish, he wasn't bossy or nothing, just humble. And, you know, it was after the session he was doing, because he recorded some songs that day. And he had about 2 more sessions. And so we were outside now and we meet and we start talking. And it was Dennis, myself, and Delroy Wilson, because we were the younger people there who could have related to each other. The musicians were already, you know, older, grown people and stuff. So we all a vibe and they must say, yeah man, and listen to you, you know, you can sing, man, and you know, he might encourage me and we had show him how much we admire him, and it was a good vibe.
And I can remember one time gone, I went to a studio, I don't remember where the studio was, and Dennis Brown needed a pack of cigarettes because he smoked craving. So he needed a pack of cigarettes, so no one wasn't there to buy it for him. And a man come out to me and say, hey, Dennis Brown want a pack of cigarettes, and go and go buy it for him. You don't know what can happen. Some of him shine might rub off fire, so go buy it for him. I'm just go buy the cigarette for him. And hell, anytime him see me, him show me respect. You know. Hey, you should have singer ya. Mush, Everton Blender, mush, my singer.
And I remember at one point, Dennis started to say to me, you know, he must say, boy, priest. And he called me priest, you know, because the Levites are the priests. Function of priestly order. And I say, preach, brother. I say, yeah, make some nice tune, no, brother. But you should have struggled, yeah? It's a real struggle, you know. But you should, anytime you find a song with a woman them love my brother, it over. And like him lick me in my head with something. And I say, okay, that's right there. Okay. So I start search for the song and, you know, I make some song because I always remember what him said to me. And I searched for the song and I went to the studio. Clevie from Celia and Clevie called me one day, that Scorpio studio, and said, yo, where you there? And I said, I'm there, man. I said, come link me down at Scorpio. I have a tune there. Are you this, you know? I drive go down at Scorpio, then put on the track, man, listen to the track. And I say, yeah, take out my pen, start write the song. That song became so many people want to see me stop loving you. And when that song came out, my house one morning, it was early for me, early. It was late. In the UK, and Dennis was in England. And my phone ring, and I answer the phone, hello? And she, preach, my brother. You find it, my brother. And me I try understand. I say, what is Deb? And I say, yeah, man. I say, you find it, my brother. And him start singing a song. So many people wanna see me. And he say, you find it, preach. And that me I tell you about. Anytime you make them song here, nothing can stop it for the whole of the woman, them love it, my brother. And the way my show, the happiness way my show for me, it's like freak me out. Come here, say, they mean say, somebody's so happy for me, you know.